A try statement is used for exception handling. When an error occurs, or exception as we call it, Python will normally stop and generate an error message. The exception can be handled using a try statement. You have to use a try, except, and else in order for you to handle the actual error. Here's an example. So let's create a file. So now we're going to write a try block to try and catch our error. So we wrote a try and except statement here. I was going to basically try to print this. If it doesn't work, the exception is going to be caught and is going to return true. But if it does work, the exception is not going to be caught and it's going to return false. False. It means this program worked. Now let's create an exception that's going to cause a problem, which is dividing by 0. So something like this. This over here causes an error, a 0 division error. If you want to write a program in Python that's not going to return this, we have to write a try and except statement in order for us to handle this 0 division error. Let's rewrite this using the try and except. So try. So what we're going to try is we're going to try to print 2 divided by 0. And then the exception, we just saw the exception. The exception is 0 division error. So 0 division error right here. We're saying basically if this error pops up, print hey buddy, you cannot divide by 0. Come on, man. So now we're going to run this program again. We're going to try to divide by 0. If it catches this error, it's going to print this instead of the error itself. So let's run this. Hey buddy, you cannot divide by 0. But this is how you use a try and except statement to run a program. Usually when you think your program can have errors, what you want to do is you want to have a try and except. You want to have a try and except statement so that your code doesn't break in production, or it just doesn't break. It just gives you an error print. It just prints out the error instead of your code breaking.